This 2025 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2520BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Giddings, Texas, 78942 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Giddings. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features a stone interior, sleeps 6, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.